This is the Robin Ross Recap.
Don't Stop Believing from Journey, taking us into proper long weekend vibes. And you know who's a very strong kind of proponent of this believe in yourself, you are the person that can make your life better, is our guest currently. She's written books about it. She does talks about it. You are the best person at being you. And the best person at being Leandi Durant is sitting right across from us, Leandi Durant.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for that amazing intro, Rosie.
Well, it's the truth. I mean, you really do walk the talk as dit kom by daai, want as jy nie jouself kan wees nie en as jy nie in jouself glo nie, that whole Don't Stop Believing, ons het nie as prins gespeel nie.
Ag, julle is
maar
amazing.
dan gaan jy nie bereik wat jy wil bereik nie.
Amen. Dit is regtig, ek meen anders, hoekom sal die Here so baie moeite doen dat niemand op die aarde dieselfde is as hy nie dink dat jy is worthy of being here nie.
Exactly.
Dis een is twee.
I like that. And Leandi is here because she's believed herself onto an island full of treasure.
Die Here help my julle. Julle moet my nou begin bid, hè?
An island full of treasure that she as yet does not know where it's going to be.
I was going to ask, weet julle al?
No, we had to send our passports, and for all that ek weet, I don't know, I'm going to the moon. Maybe it's the first one on the moon.
But you're keen, and that's the thing about you.
Yeah, I'm so excited for this because the last time I did a reality show was in 2014,
Yeah.
Strictly Come Dancing. And I can't believe it, I came second. And lekker Jonathan Boyton Lee, he beat me to it, him and his abs.
Isn't
and then
he coming now with you on this trip as well?
I don't know if he's coming with, but he's on the one that's currently showing where they are
Yes.
discovering the islands,
Yes.
right? But now I saw him at the launch and I'm like, because I saw he came second to Carlin. I'm like, how does it feel? How does it feel? Now you know, Jonathan, what it feels like. So I am back to actually win this thing.
Tropica Island of Treasure Season 12 is coming. It's been on our screen since 2008. I'm just looking at the other people who you are up against.
Ja, sterkte, Leandi.
Wiseman Mngube is going to be there. Amanda DuPont, Lalela Mswane, she was a former Miss South Africa. I see one Caster Semenya
Yes.
is on the lineup.
Yes.
I mean, Olympic athlete.
Yes.
What can I say?
Wat kan jy sê? Maar jy like so goed, jy like so sterk. Mense sien op jou Instagram, jy paddle en jy pilates en jy is net daai girl. So waarna sien jy die meeste uit van al die uitdagings? Because the challenges are mental and physical. Like they test you in various ways.
Yes.
And if it's all obviously dependent on you and your partner, and we're going to get to that whole teammate conundrum. But what are you
Yes.
looking forward to the most about how you're going to be challenged?
I think just being surrounded with people who inspire me. Like, I love all these contestants. I watch them, I follow them, and to actually just be on an island with them for 3 weeks, I mean, it's amazing. Sure, it's a bougie survivor. At least ek hoef nou nie 'n hut te gaan bou waarin ek gaan bly nie. But I still have to do the challenges. But
Yeah.
I've been watching
Yeah.
a series. I've been watching Survivor, all the hacks, I've been playing PlayStation with my man so we can figure stuff out
Yeah.
together so that this brain can get going.
Lekker.
I even ordered like these key rings that's like the puzzles you had to do when you were 3 years old.
Yes,
The
to move
blocks
the
can only.
blockies.
I ordered one on Shein. I took a photo of me and my husband, and now that is the puzzle. I must scramble every day to try and do it. So I'm really trying, guys. Please.
No, that is amazing.
you know.
That is amazing.
I love that. I'm just like, it is a bougie survivor,
Ja.
maar jy gaan nog steeds werk, nee.
Nee,
I
kyk,
was like,
Roxy
if
het
you-
my gewaarsku. You
If
gonna
you're going
work.
to send me to an
Yeah.
island, I want a hammock and a cold drink inside an
Yes.
empty coconut.
Yeah.
I don't want to do anything. Maar julle gaan hard werk daai.
Now, every day, so many challenges. And obviously, you have to do some press, and you're still doing a reality show, so interviews. But luckily, the things I'll be sipping on is like a Tropicana, very smooth.
Oef, gaan baie
Yes.
lekker wees.
Apparently, when you do the show,
Ja.
you get a Tropica with your whole face on it.
Really?
Imagine. Do you know how when there were other drinks that used to come out with people's names, there was never a Rose or a Roseanne or whatever. And you know how the people used to go after those drinks.
Go hunting
to
the
and
one
find-
with your
if
name.
I had a drink with my face on it, I would buy every single one in the
Is jou
shop.
nou al klaar uit?
Oh, ek dog julle vra nooit.
Oh!
Het jy hulle?
I spotted one on my way and I brought you the bottle.
Sommer 'n 2 liter
Can you
ook.
believe my mom would have been so
Lekker.
proud. I mean, who wants to be on Iceland if you can be on Tropica? I mean, it's so smooth. I am so grateful for this. But listen, Can I tell you, this was the only one in the spa with my face on.
Want al die ander
I
is
had to really look for this
al die
one.
ander is uitverkoop met jou gesig op
Sure.
dit. Almal
No,
het dit gekoop.
I don't know. Someone put it right at the back. I can see it's Wiseman or Alela. They go to all this and they like put theirs in the front. I must ask them.
Listen, Leandi is here. She's hanging out this afternoon. Tropical Island of Treasure Season 12 is coming. We're going to find out after the news exactly what it takes to be a contestant because the competition is still open.
Yes.
You can still apply if you want to be one of
Yes.
the people who goes along. Ons wil uitvind wat jy in 'n partner soek,
Ja.
wat jy nie soek nie.
We know someone very closely that is auditioning.
Do we?
I will tell you when we tell you
Really?
to Leandi about the partners.
Ooh, okay. Alles op pad.
Yep.
Tropical Island of Treasure Season 12. Do not miss it. Want Leandi gaan wen.
Find this. So hoe dit gewoonlik werk is, hulle kondig die celebrities aan, hè? En dan is daar soos 'n call-out vir mense wat saam met die celebrity op die span wil wees, né?
Yes.
So hoe werk dit
Die
dan
smooth fans.
The smooth fan.
Ja, so as jy 'n smooth fan wil wees, hulle kan gaan kyk op Instagram op My Tropica, hoe presies om te enter en ja, tag dan net My Tropica in jou video en julle asseblief julle moet inskryf want ek kort 'n wenner in my span.
So you got to do a little audition video.
Yes, I'm not sure about all the T's and C's. Sorry, I didn't read it. It's
Yes,
not like
yeah.
I have to audition.
Iemand
Thank
is klaar
goodness, because
in.
I don't think I would have made it.
Nonsense.
But do you guys know, do you get the choice? Do they give you a short list of people or do you just get
So-
assigned someone?
So every season has been a bit different. And as we know, Tropical Island of Treasure, they always surprise us. So they choose like the top 8 smooth fans. And then they come to the island and in the first episode, we get to battle it out. Like who wants who.
Right.
Or sometimes they even take 12 and then they have to do a challenge. And then they eliminate the
other
the
four.
four, whatever.
I want to be one of the
doesn't make it.
leftover 4.
So just
So
chilling.
just get to chill on the island while
Yes.
Oaks make TV.
Yes, yes.
Ironically, it's usually the muscly big guys. That is the
That get
weirdest
left
thing for me.
behind.
Yes, a lot of people have told me don't necessarily just go for the biggest one of the
Yes.
meest gespierde tier. Jy weet, soos-
So ek het vroeër gesê daar is iemand wat nogal baie naby aan my en Rob is en baie naby aan Jacaranda is.
Ja.
Wat ook audisie doen. Manani Botus
Did she send a video?
has got her video up on Instagram. I saw it about 15 minutes ago. She is auditioning to be on Tropica Island of Treasure this season.
That would be so funny.
And I mean, it would be very funny if she got in. It would be awesome for her.
Could you imagine the nonsense her, Barney and Sasha would get up to on that show
Yeah.
if Manani got in?
Yes,
No.
I can imagine.
Come on now.
But we support you, girl. Well done.
Yes.
We love the video and we are behind you all the way. Wat soek jy in 'n spanmaat?
Wel duidelik nie gespierde dier nie.
Nee.
Well, I mean, sure, jy moet sterk wees, someone that's fit. But I mean, the most important thing for me is someone's got to have a sense of humor. Eerlikheid. I can't hierdie betrietsige, jy weet, hel vir alles en jy's no victim mentality here. We
Nee.
have fun, we have a sense of humor, but you've got to have like a problem solving abilities.
Yes.
Got
like,
you.
Yes, and just stay calm, cool, under pressure. Just be open for anything.
Kan ek vir jou
Jy's net 'n
vra,
lekker mens.
Ja.
how competitive are you? Because that Jonathan Boynton Lee story you told earlier hints that you are. Like,
Did you not see her on Strictly Come Dancing? She went from 0 to should have won the show in like 12 weeks.
Thank
Ek het
you.
elke episode gekyk.
Ag, dankie my lief. Jy het nie genoeg gesting nie.
Ek het. Maar ja, vra hoe
Ja.
hoe
Verskriklik
kompeteer
dankie
sy?
dat jy gekyk het.
Nee, jy was great.
So to give you an idea, I was head girl primary school and head girl.
ja.
En wat noem mens die groot skool, high school? Gees kon ek nog gaan na daai word, ek mis wonder hoe. Anyway, nee, my pa het nie die lapa geborg nie, hy's 'n doom nie, hy het nie geld gehad om dit te doen. I had to work my way to the top. But anyway, it's okay. No, I'm very competitive. I've
Okay.
always been that way. But I don't necessarily seem like it.
Do you know what? You say that you're very competitive en jy praat nou oor hoërskool en laerskool hoofmeisie, maar hoe jy by die bedryf in die bedryf opgeëindig het was also as a result of a competition. She won a competition and then the prize was a course at Brumilda van
Yes.
Rensburg's acting school and Brumilda would like represent you as management. En kyk nou hier sit jy.
Ek love, dankie dat jy my so goed ken. Ag, ek's lief vir jou.
Rosie knows all the lore.
Shame, it is incredible. And you know, it's so ironic because what I won that evening was actually for being myself. Because
Yeah.
I won Miss Personality and you started the show with that. So in the end, no one can beat you at being you.
Yes,
So just show up as yourself. That's what that competition taught me, because you never know.
And no
jy
one's
wil die
gonna-
mooiste een wees, maar eintlik is die prys wat
Ja.
jy moet hê nie vir die mooiste enetjie nie.
Yeah. And no one's going to beat Leandi at my Tropica Island of Treasure.
Oh, amen. Speak it. Speak
Niemand.
it. I
We're putting
can't
it
wait
into
to
the
come back
world.
with my Jimny. I'm going to drive into the studio
because-
with
yeah,
my Jimny.
because they
and
get in
I
the
don't know if they
games.
do this season
Yeah.
again. Let's hope so. But I mean, that and R500,000.
Ooh.
Yes.
Listen, I'm seeing here auditions are open until the 5th of May. So you've got like
Yeah.
almost a month still to
Yeah.
have a think about it.
Be creative.
Get your passport ready. Get your audition video in. Go and tag Tropica. Tell them you want to be Leandi's partner.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Come through and come speel saam.
Yeah.
I would love to do one of these.
I would also.
Oh, please
Out,
enter.
out
All
of,
of you
out of the
enter.
two of us, who would you choose to be a partner?
Hey.
Rosie.
Wasn't even a hesitation.
But you see, she knows me well, and you need to know your partner well. You understand each
Yeah.
other. You get the energy.
Yeah.
You do this, I do that.
Nee, is reg.
Female energy.
Gaan julle twee.
I tell you.
I'll be watching on the television.
You can come and do live broadcasting every day.
Yes, come
How
on,
was
from
today?
whatever island we're on.
Ja, lekker Leanne om vir jou in te hê vandag. Dankie dat jy kom kuier
dankie
het.
julle.
I can't wait to taste this Tropica of yours with your face
Oh,
on it.
yes.
So I brought you orange, good old classic.
Yes.
Maybe you can put a little bit of something else in it this weekend.
Lang
En 'n
naweek.
sambreeltjie en so.
Hey.
And
Lang
I just want to
naweek.
say thank you so much to everyone listening, everyone supporting me. I can't do this or be who I am or where I am without you guys' support. So thank you for allowing me to live my dream. I
Leanne
really
Duran.
appreciate it.
Dankie my skat, lekker dag
Dankie julle,
verder.
bless julle
You can
hoor.
catch her season 12 Tropica Island of Treasure, and those auditions, if you want to go and be part of it as well, are open until the 5th of May.
Halala.